My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Let's get started. Let's find our Easter eggs. Go to this, earn, okay, and go to this right here, Enigma. Click on that. Your first egg is this right here. Click on that. So we've gotten the first one. Let's go get the other ones. Once you're here, go to the claim section. That's going to display the foods. Go to morning snack. Click on that. This right here is your second egg. Click on it. Of course, we've gotten two now. Let's go to the other one. So to get the last one, go to this coach. Once you're here, go to claim. So you're getting it under the claim section, and then get to this right here, yoga and pilots. Click on that. Click on that. And ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten our third one. Click on claim. What we can do next is to do our Enigma. So you can click on this right here. That's going to bring you here. Now what you're going to do is to arrange all of this. After arranging them to look like this, the next should be to click on the validate button. So let's see. Don't forget to pause this video to see my arrangement. Okay, the first should be fade, then next should be bring, then next should be legend. Let's validate to see if we're correct. Exactly, we are correct. So claim your reward. We're gonna be doing the combo later. Make sure you're subscribed and follow for more. If you like this game, check the link in the description to start playing. No time, let's go.